Morning, Miss Yamin. Sawadika, Miss Yamin.
Adhika.
How are you?
Yes, good.
So sorry. I think you can understand about the time in Bali. So maybe it's different in Thailand and in time in the Bali.
Yes. Thailand time is start at 8 a.m., right, Pak?
Yeah, it's faster than 1 hour in Thailand.
Okay, Pak.
So so I hope then your activity cannot then disturb with our agenda, Miss
No,
Yamin.
no. Because we are holiday on Saturday, so
Uh,
I'm okay.
okay, so nice. So thank you very much, Miss Yamin. Okay, maybe we have to. Okay, Miss Yamin. Miss Yamin is the first presenter, and the second presenter is Wahyu Guna Negara. Is ready. Sudah siap Wahyu? Okay.
Jadi bagus.
Ya. Oke, thank you Wahyu sudah berkenan hadir dan menyediakan waktu luangnya untuk kegiatan hari ini. Oke, ya sambil menunggu, maybe any participant maybe join for this our webinar. We are start today for this webinar. Miss Yamin is ready?
Yes. So shall we start? But can you see my screen?
Okay. Before we start, I am to introduce before for your profile and any information about our research group. So wait. Okay. So our presentation is appear. Sudah muncul ya? Oke, terima kasih. Selamat pagi, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and happy happy holiday. So I'm to start with our agenda. It's about the webinar Data Science Research Group at Undiksha. Okay. For the first Data Science Research Group. Okay, so thank you. Okay, yeah, it's our research group is that focus on the data analysis to provide insight into the decision making. So this is our research group. Okay, so we have to start. Okay, for this morning, we will be holding a webinar on the topic on the EEG signal. This is our event. This event is continue for each month. We are to present many topic, many domain about the research. We hopefully for this sharing information, we have to do the collaboration research and also to provide many knowledge I will provide for this topic. So I hope any participant are staying healthy and stay for this event today. Okay. However, before we begin, allow me, Madi Agus Wirawat, to expand the focus and objective of the data science research group. Okay. This is a research group. I am to provide a platform for knowledge sharing and research collaboration. Many collaboration we have done about the many domain for such as EEG signal, prediction, and education, and so on about the analytic data. To date, okay. So next presenter. To date, 12 webinars have been held and several collaboration research projects have been implemented. The first webinar in the last years ago we have been held, and now we held 11 and 12 webinar about the topic is about the EEG signal. This is our member, all participants. We have 12 lecture and several student member, like senior and junior lecture. Also we have to collaborate about many topic for this research. So to disseminate information about this research group activity, we have established several channels, including website, YouTube, and Facebook also too. This is our member. Okay, so sorry. The to inline to direct our research focus, we have also to develop a research roadmap to focus and to direct our topic. We have established several domain. We join to collaborate in our roadmap research group. The first is about the exploratory data analysis, collecting data, and then predict forecasting, feature engineering also too. Predict and forecasting, and the evaluation model, and then the last is about the knowledge visualization and representation. This is our research roadmap of the research group. Okay, we hope by the webinar we can expand the many collaborator, many domain to reach our roadmap for this research group. Okay, for this webinar today, we have in line about our roadmap. In the 11 webinar is also to about the related about the collecting data, because the thank you Miss Yamin, so have to provide the time to sharing your knowledge, your article publication about the EMOTIV. The EMOTIV, I think we relate about the collecting data, especially about the EEG signal. And the second is about the predict or forecasting. This is a 12 webinar. This is the in the 11 webinar. The topic is about the review of brain-computer interface application using the EMOTIV inside headset. So with Miss Yamin Thwe as a speaker. In the 12th webinar, the topic is about the optimizing removing artifact removal for electroencephalogram based stress detection using ICA and the relative different method. As the Wahyu Guna is a speaker. Wahyu is ready. Okay, Wahyu is ready to the presentation in the 12th webinar.
Yes. Ready, bagus.
Okay, so before we start for this webinar, I'm introduction about the present speaker is the Miss Yamin Thwe, is a lecturer in the computer science at the RMUTT. This is my friend, my author collaboration in the past research. I hope Miss Yamin inside can get the any insight or from the Miss Yamin too, and many knowledge we can get about the article publication in Miss Yamin. Okay, and the second presenter is Wahyu Gunanegara, is a master student in computer science at Universitas Pendidikan Kan. Okay, so this is Wahyu Gunanegara. This semester is the last period to Wahyu Gunanegara to finish the study. This is the thesis, the topic, the thesis of the Wahyu Guna. Okay, to maximize the time, thank you. Let's begin the first session of this webinar with the Miss Yamin. About the topic is about the review of application in the brain-computer interface using the EMOTIV inside headset. So, Miss Yamin is ready to share your knowledge for our many activity, many collaborate, many research that you have done for this EEG signal. As you ready, Miss Yamin?
Yes, okay, Pak. So, firstly, thank you so much for joining today's webinar, and I'm really appreciate for Pak Agus for inviting me. This is my honor to share about my research, to share about my experience. So, firstly, in Thailand, Sawadika. So today I would like to share about my research article naming review of applications in brain-computer interface using EMOTIV inside headset. So firstly, may I introduce myself a little bit. My name is Yamin Thwe. I am from Myanmar. I finished bachelor in Yangon with IT major, and then I got scholarship to study in Thailand with the EQI scholarship. So I finished master in data and information science at UTT, and I'm also doctoral student in mechatronic engineering department, and I'm also working as a lecturer in computer science department. My research focused on the brain signal processing, computer vision, object detection, AI, big data management, data analytics, and IoT. So I'm really appreciate to have or to know to know more friends from Indonesia in this opportunity. So firstly, if we go back to our history of EEG and BCI, actually the EEG was started in 1924 by German neuroscientists, and it was developing until now. And there are many movies from such as like Matrix, Avatar, Ready Player One, but honestly, I'm not a fan of movies, so I haven't watched any of the movie. I know about EEG, and I started to explore about EEG in my PhD study. I do on my PhD. I'm working on the EEG control wheelchair. So I started to know about EEG in my PhD, and as I research, I'm working on BCI called brain computer interface. Brain computer interface, we collect the data we can collect from EEG, ECOG, or signal unit. But for my research, I collect that from EEG. And then we do machine learning process like feature extraction and signal processing. Then we can control our external device such as wheelchair or robotic arm or another external devices is that I am currently doing on it. And according to my research, I have been found that there are the number of publication is increasing yearly. As we can see in different genres like Springer Link, IEEE Explore, MTPI, Science Derived, and PEP Medication. So in those are popular genres, articles related EEG are really increasing. So because of we have the medical grade device and consumer grade device, and our researcher are really accessible now for the consumer grade, which is affordable, and we can do research, we can do more about education in gaming and wellness, and it's very easy to use. It's compared to medical grade, we can see that it's affordable and we can easily use. So that is why the number of publication is also increasing yearly. And currently, I am working on EMOTIV EEG device, EMOTIV Insight. Yes, and for the what is EMOTIV Insight? EMOTIV Insight is also non-invasive semi-dry polymer sensors. It has 5 channels, and we can connect the device with the Bluetooth. So it's very easy for the user. If we are working on BCI, the user can be more fashionable. It's no need to wear many sensors on the head while controlling the wheelchair, and it's fashionable and it's easy to fix. So the strength of this device is, as we say, is very the setup time will be up to 5 to 10 minutes, making it practical, and we can use for different research. But the limitation is the number of channels is only 5 channels, so the accuracy and the depth of the brain signal will be lower than the another higher device. So we have done the research portion. We have done the review of research article on the IEEE conference. With the review article, in brain-computer interface using EMOTIV inside headset. So in this article, this is already this conference was held in Bali, and I have been first time joined this conference in Bali, and it is already published. In this research article, the main research question about is I have curious about EMOTIV inside because it's affordable and it's very easy to use. Is it really working on research fields in the previous research field? The first question, research question is about in which research field is the EMOTIV insights being utilized and what specific applications are emerging. And the second research question is about what levels of accuracy are achieving study in using the EMOTIV insight, and how do these compare to other EEG device? And research question 3, which software pipelines and methodologies are commonly employed in research using the EMOTIV inside headset? So I have these 3 research questions, and I have collected the research articles from the Google Scholar, IEEE Explore, Springer, MDPI, and Science Direct. I use the SLR methodology, systematic literature review, to make sure that the quality and the title is fixed to my research question. In this review paper, I have filtered down from over 90,000 to 42 relevant studies, and its time frame is focused from 2016 to 2024. I have collected those papers, and the keyword that I use is firstly EEG, then filter down to EMOTIV insight. And the analysis is I make sure that all the paper have the accuracy. They have already mentioned the research field, accuracy levels, and software pipelines and methodology across the studies. So that's how I filter the research articles for my paper. So firstly, to answer my research question 1, in which fields EMOTIV insight is being used? The EMOTIV insight can be used in emotional and cognitive analytics, and also assistive technology such as BCI and robotic system control. So it has been used for controlling the external device. EMOTIV insight have already proved that it can be used in BCI applications and also the emotional and cognitive analytics. So this is the first answer for our research article. And the second research question is about if we use EMOTIV insight, what level of accuracy can we get? As we can see here, the accuracy is quite okay, 80%, 90%. But the curious thing is my research question 3. The research question 3 is about software pipelines, how the researcher process on the research to achieve this high accuracy. Because EMOTIV insight is popular because it's easy to use, and they also provide software platform. They also provide the software for the researcher to use, such as EMOTIV Codex API and EMOTIV Safer Control Panel. So by using this their software, even though we don't have the knowledge about machine learning or deep learning or programming knowledge, we can also use the BCI using EMOTIV insight. So most of the researchers are using the ready-made plugin from EMOTIV insight, EMOTIV software, and also people can use for using the Python and real-time communication protocol using MQTT. And emotive software platforms and access option. Emotive provide different software such as Emotive BCI, Emotive Pro, emotive visualization. It has many software package, and it has limitations, so we need to pay, but it's affordable. They give the package is affordable. So if we use their BCI, as we can see in the graph, according to the previous research, we can see emotive epoch and emotive insight. Researchers are using emotive suite or emotive application highly, and then for the custom processing, like researcher just use the emotive to collect the data, then they do the machine learning by themselves. Is lower than the mostly they use the emotive suite. And in emotive insight, because it has a less channel and the accuracy is not quite good, so they just use the emotive suite. But less of the people, they collect data and they do the custom processing by themselves. So that's what I have found from our research articles. Yes, and for that, if we have the programming knowledge about Python, they also provide the Python code such as Cortex SDK. We can freely access. It's a free GitHub repository. We can also get it, but it also have the limitation. We need to buy some subscription. Yes. So according to the custom processing, because I focus on the wheelchair, my research is about focusing on wheelchair. So I deep down to the wheelchair. So for emotive, if we use the emotive epoch and if we do the custom processing, currently the accuracy achieved until 40 and 70, but so we can say that it still have a room to explore more for researchers in the machine learning area, deep learning area, to increase our accuracy. And the challenges of using a 5-channel EEG device is it has limited channel, and if we compare to the higher channel, is not a medical grade, so the accuracy will be not quite as good as the medical grade. And noise and artifact, because I have tried the emotive insight, it has many limitations, especially for women, because woman has many hair, more how to say, woman has more hair than men. So if we fix the device on the woman, it's very difficult and have many noise, and it takes more time to adjust the headset. So it is one of the limitation. And also how to say, sometimes because it's a Bluetooth, we can connect with Bluetooth, so the battery, there are some limitation with the device. So if we use the 5-channel emotive insight, we have this kind of limitation. Yes. I think that's all for my how to say, sharing for my review article. But I'm really welcome to discuss for more about question from the audience. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Miss Yamin. So many review about the emotive insight headset. So Miss Yamin compare different emotive Apple and emotive insight also too. This is a future work to the maybe you can do to another next research, or maybe improve the channel, maybe improve the removing artifact also too. And so many opportunity we can collaborate about this topic. So thank you, Miss Yamin. Sawadee Miss Yamin. I'm so forget the first time. Okay. Miss Yamin, have done the review your the paper. Maybe any participant, any question for this material for this topic. So yeah, and Miss Yamin, we share, we inform you to our lab, our research group. We are in progress about the what is called about the emotive to connect the emotive to the machine learning to improve the real-time detection. For this, this is our project now with the student, my student. Maybe this in this year is joined here. We use the emotive epoch. Maybe you know this device. I will show you in the last year. So in this project, we try to connect the emotive, but the this device maybe is to more effort to calibration for each channel. Maybe the each channel have a red it maybe green green apa namanya ya green yellow green for if the green sign green sinyalnya maybe this is a pass the connect, but if the red, this is so trouble for the calibration. How about this problem, Miss Yamin? You can any tips to this work on this problem?
Yes. Emotive inside also have the same problem. Sometimes, even though we are putting it, it has sometimes have lost connection. It's not touched to our skin. So
Yeah.
for me, I put the what is it, gel. I put the gel. If we put the gel, it's changed to how to say green. We especially we can use also the gel, liquid from contact lens. Emotive give us the liquid in the package box, but it's a little. So after seeing many YouTube, and I have found that we can use the contact lens liquid is very cheap. So it's also working with me. I use that liquid to work from red to green. Yes, but
okay. You feel the gel more liquid. Yeah, you feel the more liquid.
For emotive inside, we can put the gel on the sensor. By sensor, we just put more gel, then put it again. If it's wet, the signal will be good. Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, maybe we have to buy the more gel to fill its channel. Maybe because this channel is dry channel, yeah. Is the channel maybe this is a bottleneck or problem to connect the device. Okay, thank you, Miss Yamin, for this. Any question for this topic about the EEG signal collecting data? The previously we are to I'm with the Wiguna Mahindra Dharma Wiguna also collaborate with Miss Yamin and also several team in RMUTT to collecting the data motor imagery also too, ya. So with Miss Yamin also too in the previous collaboration, maybe in the 2 years ago, yeah. And this collecting data have been published in the journal article. This collecting data we are using the emotive epoch to we use to this device. Okay, any question? Maybe from this year. Okay.
My research now working on the emotive inside control wheelchair, and our laboratory also want to control the emotive with robotic arm and exoskeleton. So I'm also welcome our friends from Indonesia to visit to our RMUTT and have collaboration with our RMUTT. I will be, how to say, I will bring you around Thailand and I will guide you.
And don't forget around to Asiatic and also.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Miss Yamin is a lecturer in the computer science department. So it's so different in the previous we are to visiting. Maybe previous is mechatronic engineering. So now Miss Yamin in the computer science. So it's very intersection with the research group maybe because majority with this member is the computer science and mathematics also. Miss Yamin maybe is so good to the opportunity. It's very good. Okay, this is one question, Miss Yamin. This is from the Surya Mahendra. I apologize if I ask via chat. In the film, some EEG technology is implemented in extraordinary way and may be took a long time to realize. Has EMOTIV reached mass production yet? In what way make EMOTIV or other EEG product reach the general public? Maybe this is about the future implement of about the EMOTIV or several and EEG technology also too. Maybe Miss Yamin can answer this question.
Yes, thanks for your question. I according to my how to say research, we can say that EEG is still in the research in our laboratory. It is not yet reached to in the public in mass production, but many how to say many patients who has plagiarism. They are also using. They can use. We can say in many YouTube that it is very okay for them to use, and it's not only in BCI. Also, we can use in education. We can also use in another detection like emotion. So from the BCI, even though we can say that BCI is still, in my opinion, BCI is still in the laboratory, but EEG is really useful in another field, such as promoting in the business, promoting the things using our human signal or something like that. So we can say that it can be done, and can be our future research for I think is my best answer your question.
Okay, thank you. So many domain can be implemented in for the EEG detection, EEG, and so many focus of problem can be done with the EEG signal. I think in the next or the future, based on our focus in the university is about the education, maybe the same of the RMUTT also too, yeah. The next education process can be done with the emotional intelligence analysis. This is our focus. This is the focus can be done by using the EEG signal to detect the emotional student and so on. Yeah, maybe can use the EMOTIV and another device also too. Maybe you Muse, maybe and so on. Yeah, and now maybe I think Neurocity, and also the new device is Neurocity also too. It can be nice to device, good device. It can be used to emotional detection of the student or the participant. Also, this can very opportunity to this domain. Yes, maybe seperti itu, Pak Surya. So like this for this answer. We hope your question is done be answered. Okay, thank you. Any question more? Rama maybe. Rama is our student. Yamin. Rama is now processing the topic thesis is about to connecting the EMOTIV to the deep learning model. Is used to interoperability, to how to connect the emotive and the model more
Real time.
real time also too. Maybe you can maybe you have been done to using the LSTM also too.
Yes.
So this we using the capsule network. Hopefully this is done in the maybe next month, maybe maybe, or this for this moment. This is our topic. Maybe Rama, any answer, any question, Rama? Okay, another participant maybe.
Ya Pak,
Ya, Rama, ada yang ingin ditanyakan? Kebetulan ini sangat berharga sekali, bisa berdiskusi dengan Miss Yamin to connect, how to connect the emotive and the machine learning or deep learning also too.
okay, baik Pak. Maybe I will asking about Mrs. Yamin. Have you ever made a real-time connection to an AI model via an emotive files? How the methodology to do this process?
Okay. For real time, I have conducted using the emotive suite. So if we use the emotive suite, it can be real time. But if we want to use our custom model or deep learning model, we must buy some package from the emotive. I have mailed to them, and they say that if we want to get the raw signals, we need to buy some package, but it need to specify more detail what kind of application we want to do, and they will guide. So I haven't contact for that, and the price also is based on our requirements. They will ask the price. So if we want to get raw data directly to our model, it need to buy some subscription pack.
This must be subscription to get the model in the emotive Apple.
Yes.
It's like that. So yeah, this subscription maybe how much to subscription to get the model, to provide the model.
Yes, I have emailed them, but they say that we need to explain more about what our requirement. Then they will give us the price, because it's not in their package. It's in the developer SDK, and I asked about the developer SDK. So they reply by email that we need to explain more about our what do we want to do. Then they will give us the price. But I didn't know that. I haven't known about the price yet. But
it's free. No, it's price.
It's not free.
It's not free.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, this is our challenge.
Yes, it's emotive insight emotive is our challenge. Yes.
Ya, komersial. Ya, seperti itu kira-kira Rama. Maybe Rama want to try to connect without the model Yamin. So this is the success to get the raw data, but how to classification of for the raw data. For this moment, Rama will try to identification or to classification of the raw data. This is our challenge. In the previous, Rama has been done and success to get the raw data without the module in the maybe they can not use subscription also, but the challenge is about how to identification or classification for the pattern in the AEGC-nya. Ya, seperti itu ya Rama ya. Tantangannya sekarang Rama terletak pada di proses klasifikasinya ya Rama ya, yang masih perlu dipelajari lagi, ditingkatkan lagi ya Rama ya.
Ya, oke Pak.
Maybe we can explore more in context.
Konteks KT88 also?
Yes, context SDK is SDK.
Yeah, maybe Rama more identify any module in the emotive Apple profile. Emotive inside also too, emotive Apple also too. Many module is can be used to this project to real-time detection. The detection is about the emotion detection, yeah, Miss Yamin. So this model we have been done to create using the capsule network, and this is the deep learning model, and we had to implement this model for the real-time detection. Maybe we hopefully success for this topic is very challenging for this. Ya, mungkin seperti itu. Yang ada yang tanyakan lagi any question, Rama? This is the opportunity discuss with Miss Yamin. Oke, silakan.
Okay, Pak. Thank you. Maybe that's all from me.
Okay, thank you, Rama. Any question more in another participant? In this participant, several have a topic about the EEG signal, like Rama, and then the Panji also too about the EEG signal, but they are using Panji is also using the emotive to evaluation about the any application evaluation about the interface the application using the EEG signal, how to design the interface is good interface, user friendly, and so on. This is his topic. Okay, I think it's enough, Miss Yamin. So thank you. So Miss Yamin for this today, because there is no question for this participant. We have to continue for the 12th webinar, the second session.